little closer.
Alright, go.
Get the whole bite.
Yeah.
A little closer. We're gonna go for a little tour. I guess you can show Greta. Come here, Greta. Okay. We're gonna see the birds. Why are they taking off?
I think Greta.
Come over here.
Or you can go over here, there's a little hole.
Push it, well, if it's, we'll see. Alright, just go up and closer over there. Let's see if we can get a good shot at it. Got him?
Yeah.
Got him good?
Yeah.
Real good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go this way. Here, I'm gonna film you now. Okay. Now. Okay, now I think did you? I don't know if it was on, if it was even filming the whole time, was it?
Yeah.
It was red.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I guess we can go this way.
Said you had like 12 hours of that.
I didn't know if it was red or it was green. I heard it make a noise. I might have pushed a button. Guess we can get on this side so we can have a backdrop. But I'm gonna show this other four-wheeler while it's here. You can climb on it. Yeah. It's good. It's the Yamaha. Alright. One of the boats. I don't even know. Yeah, it's a boat. See it? There's somebody. It must be Donovan getting home. Alright, so like I said too, I just wanted to go inside and film some of that. I don't know if this sliding glass door is open or not. We can go inside and see.
I think it's closed.
It is. Let's go around. Going to walk this way inside the house. This will be a long video shoot. Kind of messy, a little bit. Living room. The hall's off here.
You want to show where it is?
Oh, the way it looks on there. Yeah, it does look kind of neat, huh? Okay, that's cool. Let's go in here.